What up, guys? It's Timo here. Let's have a quick market wrap up. What is going on right now? So there is selling pressure happening. OG wells are selling their old coins and stuff like that. So let's take a deep dive into it. What's happening? But first, don't forget to check our partner, sideshift.ai, the easiest way to shift your crypto. But yeah, into the Bitcoin ecosystem. So what is going on right now? Bitcoin is at 105k. So we had dropped quite a lot from the all-time high of 126k. So yeah, I guess so far the Q4 has been a bit of disappointment for many. Investors were waiting for the October to be positive for crypto, but it really wasn't. And now we have entered November, which historically has been the most positive month for Bitcoin. So we're still early in November, so anything could happen. It's maybe too early to say, but yeah. So far. The Q4 has been a bit disappointing, but anyways, here we can see like a retail level selling pressure, but also like well level accumulation here. So while retail is like panic selling, we are seeing wells accumulating. This brown one is like the well cohort. So let's see, will Bitcoin test 100k or even go below it? We are seeing like estimates of Bitcoin even touching 95k. Personally, I don't see Bitcoin going below 100k for now. So I think it will stay above that. But like what is going on basically is that like retail is still like absent in the market. So this market is dominated by institutions and then like old wells. So what is the structure is the following. So we have like old wells from 2010 or 11 selling their backs basically, and then like institutions buying. Like treasury companies used to buy a lot of Bitcoin during the fall and especially during the summer. But right now, even they have like maybe exhausted a bit, and that's why we are seeing Bitcoin's spot price to drop, and so but yeah, retail is basically absent in the market if you compare to previous cycles. So that is something to notice here. And like overall, like think about like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a good investment, and I would say like a good instrument for securing your wealth. So let's say you hold your own Bitcoins or your keys as you should hold them. Basically, if you do it right, nobody can confiscate your keys. But like then the other side is that while Bitcoin is important instrument per se, what like people are looking is like the CAGR, so like the annualized return, and the trend is that it's going lower. So I've been talking about this for a while, and also like Charles Edwards mentioned this in his latest podcast. So basically, like what is going on is that the Bitcoin over time, I would say, when it becomes more mainstream, more like mature asset class, which are good things. It also like offers lower returns. That's like part of the equation, and like Bitcoin in future, Bitcoin could be more correlated to Nasdaq and tech stocks. So it's pretty hard to say what it will actually be, but I think it's likely that this year, if you look at at 25, Bitcoin has been very correlated with Nasdaq, and this basically like the eventual outcome of Bitcoin becoming a mainstream asset. It will offer lower returns. So there are like many things happening in the market, and also one other thing is that like infrastructure is becoming more important. So we are seeing like Robinhood stock up almost like 300% this year. So and also like BNB has rocketed this year. So I think like these are the indicators that infra is more important than ever, and also maybe the old whales who are now selling their bitcoins, they're probably like reallocating. They probably are not converting to fiat to USD. But they're investing into something else, and my guess would be that they're investing in the infra, and like this is the big picture. So Bitcoin is still a good investment. I'm not saying that it would be a bad investment, but like there are like better ones around. So that's the point. Of course, like investors want to optimize their return. Obviously, that's the whole point. But yeah, what is going on Binance here is that I wrote about this in my recent article. Is that so like whales basically escaped Binance during the 10th October flash crash, but now they have returned. So this is a good sign. So like whales are back and trading. So like the whale ratio is up again on Binance. This is a good sign. So but also like the October 10th crash, there should be like a dedicated podcast for that. But I think it broke many things, because like probably like the crypto market was like over leveraged, as often happens. It has happened before, and I think it happened again on October 10th, and so like there was like huge leverage flush, and now we're hearing stories about like crypto funds being in huge trouble. So we have like legacy crypto funds being minus 50% minus this year. So that's like so I think it broke quite many things, and it is also why we're seeing this selling pressure happening, is that like Friday 10th October crash like messed up the market, and then like the market could be messed up for a while. It could be like some months, even from here. So if you're looking for like rising spot prices, it could happen in Q1 26 instead of the usual Q4. But yeah, let's go to macro. So here you can see like huge drawdowns for altcoins, which obvious. So altcoins are suffering. I think this is not news to anybody. But this is what I want to talk about, is that like the other thing why crypto is not performing that well is that we have like saturation. So we have here like currently it is just an estimate, but I think this is a pretty good one. So we have like 35 million different cryptocurrencies around. So and these different cryptocurrencies like represent like an infinite supply. So while Bitcoin's about scarcity and about the theoretical limit of 21 million, people are creating more and more cryptocurrencies, which are like an infinite supply. And this creates like saturation, and also like I think we are not going to see classic alt season like in previous cycles, because it's just like market is pretty saturated. So be careful, and again, as I talk about the infra, I think the infra tokens, BNB, then like hype, these will be like good performers, because people want to invest in the infra, and basically like infra is the like winning cohort here, anyways. And my another article was about stable coins. There's like divergence in Binance related stable coins. So we're seeing like actually like Tron related stable coins decreasing and Ethereum growing. So also I'm pretty bullish on Ethereum because stable coins are hot, and Ethereum seems to be like the platform for platform choice for stable coins, and so we are seeing here like Tron underperforming and Ethereum being the choice of stablecoin reserves. So that's why I'm also bullish on that in the long term. And these stablecoins are also like part of the infra, as I talk about previously. And like so Binance has like 45 billion worth of stablecoins currently. So that's a huge thing. And like USD related stablecoins will be like the winning cohort also. So like overall, I think we are seeing like the market shifting a bit. Like I think Bitcoin will rebounce. It could even go to 150k in Q4, Q1 of 26. But still, we are seeing a shift here. So in investors looking at infrastructure, like what is actually building, value and like the crypto casino is online, and as you know, like the house always wins, and then look at like who is the house, who is like the winning party, and it's the like big exchanges, but also like big stock platforms like Robinhood, who also offer crypto and stuff like that. So I think it's shifting a bit to that direction. So interesting. But this Thursday we'll talk more about markets with Juhani, my quant. Let's take the quant perspective then, and we can talk more like what is actually going on. I know Juhani will be more bearish than me because that's how he is. He's an investor investing in crypto, but he has been more bearish, and I'm sure he's also seeing this shift happening. So maybe like some legacy cryptos a bit in trouble and shift towards infra. But that's all for now. Let's continue soon. Thanks for watching.